My name is James Larice. I am a director with a collective called Syndrome, and I am here in New York City at the YouTube Music Awards directing Eminem's performance, first time performance live of his new single, Rap God. You hear it online or in your radio or whatever, but to hear him live and actually witness him spit in this song that's 6 minutes long and incredibly powerful, it's dope because it's the first. You know, it's the first time people have seen it. There's a lot of people think he can't do it, but he can. Basically, it is the day of the show. So we're getting ready to do dress rehearsal. So everyone's going through, doing final tweaks, last minute details, just to make sure everything's as covered as possible. And it's dope. And so now it's my job to make the visual complement the song. So that's why I'm here today. Because this is live, anything can happen, so you just try to get as prepared and focus on as much things as you can control as possible. The things you can't control, you just cross those bridges when you come to it. Cool thing about this, even though it's like the pressure's on and whatnot, it's like everyone's doing this together, you know? And this is the first for every single person involved, from Spike Jonze all the way down. So it's exciting. It's like a nervous energy. So we have one take to shoot it on 4 cameras and make sure that the right camera is being viewed at the right time. I have no doubt that this is going to be a success, like the entire show. I mean, it's already a success, the fact that we get to work with Spike Jonze and, you know, obviously Eminem. You don't have anything to compare it to. It's the first of its kind because we have one shot at this. And, you know, it's like jazz at this point. You know what I mean? It's like, you know, you can kind of rehearse, but it's really still, at the end of the day, a free-for-all. And I just hope we all are in sync and just make this shit groundbreaking. It's the finale of the show. You know what I mean? So I want to go out with a bang.